Hi friends, this is Chetan Deshpande. I'm going to start very interesting series of video which is called as Digital Marketing Performance Improvement. I've worked in the industry from last 8 years. I've worked with a lot of businesses. I've worked with a lot of business owners. I know more issues and I have done maximum mistakes. So I am going to give you inputs on what mistakes you should not do so that your digital marketing will definitely improve.
So now when we talk of business owner, particularly the business where some capital is required, okay, these business owner basically direct all their resources, energy into that business. But what happens in most cases is because they are so focused on business, they ignore their personal finance. They align all their resources into business because they think that the business is the best investment where they can get high return. Nothing wrong in it. But what happens in the process is that they end up making all their money, they end up investing, they end up putting all their money into their business. And if something happens to their business, they are exposing their personal goals. Okay.
With the most modern technology at Lokmanya Hospital, our surgical team is giving a patient a quick sort of relief after the knee replacement. The rehabilitation period is very fast. The patient is admitted one day prior to the surgery. Surgery is done together. Both the joints are operated in the same sitting, so doesn't have to get admitted 2 times. He doesn't have to undergo the pre-operative checkups 2 times. Doesn't have to take antibiotics twice. Physiotherapy time also is saved.
Hi friends, my name is Suresh Padmanabhan and I happen to create one of India's most amazing and awesome workshop on money, life and spirituality. This was about 16 years back. The workshop is titled Money Workshop. I'll give you a little brief background about myself and then we'll come into your world. The world of dreams and the world of realities.